the Kejriwal government has now approached the Supreme Court. The ordinance war has clearly escalated. The Delhi government has decided to move the Supreme Court, and the Aam Aadmi Party has decided to now challenge the transfer of the Delhi officers, saying the central government's ordinance has been challenged on the transfer posting of officers in Delhi. Remember, the ordinance war is ongoing. The Aam Aadmi Party has also reached out to several opposition parties, but now taking a bigger legal turn, with the Delhi government now approaching the Supreme Court in this regard. The Delhi government has decided to move the Supreme Court to challenge the transfer of the Delhi officers. Now, in the petition that has been filed in the top court, the Aam Aadmi Party government has challenged the move of the central government. Remember, the central government had challenged the transfer posting of the officers in Delhi. My colleague Niyamika joining us over the phone line with the details. Niyamika, the Aam Aadmi Party, not just a political fight anymore over the ordinance, but now, of course, going back to the Supreme Court with the petition.
Well, that's right. As the latest update is that the Aam Aadmi Party has approached the Supreme Court of India regarding the ordinance now, which is currently going on over the transfer posting matter, as now the Aam Aadmi Party has challenged this ordinance of the central government in the Supreme Court of India. As we have also seen that the Aam Aadmi Party has been seeking support from various opposition parties regarding the ordinance matter, as it was being expected that many of these opposition parties are also going to back the Aam Aadmi Party when this ordinance will be brought in Parliament. As for that matter, many of the opposition parties have come out in open and have said that this is completely against the constitution of our country, and that is the reason why they have also stated that they are going to back the Aam Aadmi Party regarding this ordinance matter. However, the challenge before the Aam Aadmi Party was that the Congress hasn't made its stand very clear about it, and even a controversy had also erupted when Aam Aadmi Party had released a statement against the Congress for not making its stand official whether they are going to support the Aam Aadmi Party or not. So just before this Parliament session, now the Aam Aadmi Party has already challenged this ordinance in the Supreme Court of India, and now it will not just be a political battle, but a legal battle is also going to be started regarding the Delhi ordinance.
Okay, all right. And talking about the politics of it, Niyamika, like you mentioned, the Aam Aadmi Party has also been reaching out to several political parties and also has been upset about the fact that the Congress party refused to join its fight against the ordinance.
That's right. As the Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal has met several of the leaders and have asked them to support when this ordinance will be brought in the Parliament. Many of these opposition leaders have already announced that they are going to back Aam Aadmi Party and are going to vote against the ordinance when it will be bring in the Rajya Sabha. But on the other hand, the Congress hasn't made its stand very clear. As recently during the opposition party meeting as well, Arvind Kejriwal had raised this entire matter. He had also sought a time to meet the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and former President Rahul Gandhi. However, that was completely been refused on the part of the Congress, and the Congress has been kept on saying that this will be discussed during the Parliament session only, and they will first.
And the battle is now only going to intensify with the Delhi government now deciding to move the Supreme Court. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. Slipping into a quick break.